The Feng Shui canon or standard for happiness is the smallish house full of people you love, not the mansion that you have to pay staff to take care of. So if your house feels just a little bit small for you, that's the perfect house for you. In my life, I had been in many mansions, but there was never a time when I walked into a mansion and I thought, oh, I wish I could live here. Never, ever. There were things that I admire. For example, there may have been some stone they used for a fireplace or marble on their countertops, or maybe a particularly nice and special kind of hardwood floors. But I have never stepped in a mansion and thought, it's my dream to live in a place like this. Mansions only work for certain kinds of people that want to entertain in a big manner at home. But for ordinary people, mansions are a bad choice. How about if instead of cutting out the photograph or a really expensive high-end home to put that on your vision board, you focus on turning your current home into a dream home. My name is Moni Castaneda, and I'm a Feng Shui expert. I have a background in architecture, and that's what I do for a living. I help people turn their current homes into dream homes.